VR is immersive. AR glasses are extremely portable. But here's the thing, for me, these devices aren't competing. They're doing completely different jobs. So let's break down the biggest differences between a VR headset and AR glasses. Hello everyone, welcome back to 9 Letter Studios. My name is M9, and today we're going to be comparing a standalone virtual reality headset, the MetaQuest 3, versus the INAIR Pro 2 glasses along with the INAIR Pod. So instead of asking which one is better, we're going to be asking what each one's better for. We'll talk comfort, portability, productivity, entertainment, creativity, price, and personally what I use them for. So let's get to it. I use the MetaQuest 3 almost daily, but obviously I'm a virtual reality creator, so that's not much of a surprise. This headset being a standalone device lets you do so many things, and even some things that you could do with the AR glasses, except for the comfort. This is a headset, so after a while you do end up feeling it, and people's experiences while wearing one of these could be extremely different. Virtual reality is immersive. It locks you into the experience, but let's be honest, after a while you will remember that you have a headset on. With the INAIR Pro 2 glasses, comfort is the opposite story. They're ultralight, barely noticeable, and I can wear them for hours. You can sit, lay down, and use these a lot more easier than you could with a virtual reality headset. But the trade-off is probably more than obvious. No full 3D immersion, no hand tracking, while other manufacturer glasses and models do have that. But for passive use and productivity, they're insanely comfortable. And since we've already hinted at it, let's talk portability. The MetaQuest 3 is portable because you can't really deny that. It's a standalone unit that you'll be able to take anywhere. I travel with this thing to Florida, Tennessee in my backpack, sure. However, you're not taking this out at a coffee shop to answer emails or watch movies. The INAIR Pro 2 can easily just be put on and plugged into your phone if you want a bigger display to watch something, or the INAIR Pod, which is basically a super portable computer. These are plug and play with your phone, your laptop, your Steam Deck, your INAIR Pod, just to name a few. It's your most discreet way to consume content in public. And while both of these devices are portable, there's one clear winner that's just grab and go, perfect for flights, long rides, or just chilling in bed. Then we have productivity. VR productivity sounds amazing. Floating windows, giant virtual monitors, and apps like Immersed or Virtual Desktop do an amazing job, but comfort holds it back. Battery drains pretty fast unless you have an external battery source. And again, wearing a headset for 2 hours to do some office work isn't ideal. It works and it's nice, but it's exhausting. However, the one thing that I give the MetaQuest 3 over the INAIR in productivity is the fact that the windows are very easily laid out, and you have an entire 3D space to lay your windows about and work exactly how you want. So when it comes to using your space around you, again, virtual reality is the way to go. Mixed reality is also a really good way to go, but it's still a big ass headset that you're wearing. INAIR again shines in this category because of the fact that you do get these giant external monitors that you're seeing. You can use something like this, which is a folding keyboard that comes in the Go pack, and you'll be able to work, type, and do whatever it is that you need to do in 6 different screens, whether it's, you know, keeping up with social media or having references and typing up reports or doing whatever it is that you want to do. The INAIR Pod really makes that easy. And with INAIR Space and the Wakey adapter, you can actually connect to your PC at home from anywhere. So you could really get some work done. So for writing scripts, editing videos, managing emails, this is the device that I'm going to reach for. But there is a but. In that case, there were 2. I have found myself using this device more for things that I don't necessarily have to use a keyboard for. And the reason for that is because I have a folding keyboard. That means anywhere that I'm trying to use these glasses that's not a sturdy surface, this is going to fold over on itself. That means if I'm on the couch and I have this on my lap, typing is not very easy. If I'm in bed and I'm using these glasses, typing is not very easy. They do have a different set with the INAIR suite, which brings a rigid keyboard, and I think that that might be better for typing in spaces that you don't have a flat surface, but I wanted the portability, so I got it. Entertainment and recreation. Now, this is going to be an interesting category because of the fact that I use these things for different things. When it comes to entertainment on my Meta Quest, I am doing a lot of gaming because that's what I have this device for. You're not going to get fully interactive immersive experiences in AR glasses, but that's where this comes in, because for entertainment, I think the Quest 3 dominates with anything that's meant to be immersive. Full VR games, mixed reality games, fitness, social apps, it's unmatched really. If you're trying to move, play, explore worlds, or get active, this is your go-to. And don't get me wrong, watching movies on this is also kind of amazing. On applications like Big Screen, where you can basically just visit different theaters that are being hosted by other players and watch whatever you want, that's really cool for a movie lover like me. And again, your mileage might vary depending on how you feel wearing the headset. AR glasses are the best for passive entertainment, and that's not just movies. It can be TikTok, YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, enjoying everything you really want to watch on a massive screen. And I've absolutely been loving using these at night to watch movies without my wife having to cover her face from the brightness. But keep in mind, if you're looking for full immersive gaming, this is not going to do it. However, you can use apps like GeForce Now or Steam Link to either do cloud gaming or stream your gameplay from your PC to your glasses, and you have a full gaming experience right there. You can also connect these to devices like the Nintendo Switch or the Steam Deck and other such things. For creativity, VR is a different beast. You can sculpt in 3D, you can paint in space, there's virtual reality animation tools, if you're doing 3D modeling as well. Honestly, the Quest 3 is a creative playground. With the INAIR, creativity is a bit more traditional. This is for creators who want a portable workstation. I use it to edit audio, review and edit videos, answer emails, brainstorm scripts, or actually work on writing, all without being tied into a physical monitor. So while I still use it as a creative output, it leans a lot more towards creative productivity. Now for pricing and value. The Quest 3 is priced at $499, which is a great price for a standalone device that can do as much as it can. However, you can get the Quest 3S for about half that price, and it does almost exactly the same thing, except maybe with sacrificing a bit of the visual fidelity that you get from the Quest 3. Keeping in mind that you're getting gaming, fitness, productivity, and a lot of mixed reality capabilities for a mid-range price. For pure immersion, it's the best bang for your buck. The INAIR Go Pack that I got is priced at around $1,000, but you can often get some discounts with promos and things like that. You can also get the glasses and the pod by themselves for $699, or you can get the glasses by themselves for $359. And you can also get the pod by itself if you already have AR glasses from different manufacturers. And this is priced at $399, which I think is not bad when you consider you're getting portability, comfort, and productivity in something that you can put in your pocket. So if you travel, work on the go, or binge watch a lot, you'd find a lot of value in this. So I think it comes down to who should get what, right? So let's break it down. If you want gaming and full immersion, you go with the Quest 3. If you want a mobile workstation and a huge screen anywhere you go with the INAIR Pro 2. Do you want something you can use for fitness and being active? Again, Quest 3. But if you want to watch movies in bed and during travel, INAIR Pro 2. Are you a creator like me who does all of the above? Then honestly, you'll find that both devices play completely different roles. For me, the Quest 3 is my escape the world device. Gaming, fitness, mixed reality, and creative VR tools, that's where it shines. The INAIR Pro 2 and the INAIR Pod are now my daily devices for just easily consuming content. It's how I watch, how I work, how I write, and how I relax. For me, they are both companion devices that do different things that I need them to do. They're not competitors. So thank you all for watching. I hope that I cleared at least some things for you. And if you want a deeper dive into any of these devices, let me know in the comments below. Or if you want to see the INAIR Pro 2 in real world situations, a coffee shop or something like that, then let me know and I will try my best to cover that for the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you can help me out, I'd appreciate that, and I will see you all next time.